Hi, in this video we'll be covering how to install the MySQL database server on both Mac and Windows systems. First step, of course, would be to download the software. So open up Safari, starting with Mac, and we're going to do a search. There are multiple versions of the server available. We're going to download the Community Edition, since it's free and it's plenty adequate for what we're going to be doing. Here, and first link looks like it. Okay, I've already downloaded and installed the software, but you'd scroll down here to your download links, like your operating system here. This is Mac OS, so you'd click the download link. I'm not going to do it because I've already installed, and that's going to download here the file. See, there's the file. There's the file right there. MySQL, there, DMG. Okay, to install, you would then double-click this. It's going to mount the disk image. Just there, it opens. To install, which again I'm not going to do, I've already done this. Double-click the package file and follow the on-screen instructions. You have to the license agreement. Accept. And I'm going to import here because, like I said, I've already installed the software. So, but you would click install. All right, let's exit. Okay. Now to start the server, you go to System Preferences, and you'll see there's an icon for MySQL. Click this. Okay, you have the option of manually starting and stopping server yourself. You can configure it to automatically start the server on system boot. It's just a development server, so I'm not going to bother with doing that. We'll just do a manual start. Okay, and it says the server's running. Go into Terminal. Okay, let's verify that. Okay, at the command prompt, type MySQL. I guess I should explain. The installation created one user account, root. This is an administrator account. Let's use that. And set the H option, -H. So it tells it the host. It's the local machine, so we're going to connect on the local host. And that brings up the MySQL client. Let's exit that. Now, like I said, the root account is an administrator account, which means it can go in the database and do anything. Create users, delete databases. You're going to want to password protect that, which by default it's not. Let's get out of there. Okay, to password protect the root account, this only works on the first run. Type MySQL admin, root, and password. Then whatever password you want. If this was a real live working server connected to machines with more than one user, I'd probably worry more about creating a secure password. I'm just gonna, it's all mine. Okay, well, you have to. So, okay, let's verify let's verify that worked. SQL, let's try connecting without using the password, -u, root, access denied, perfect. Let's make sure our password works. So -u, root, -p, decide to use a password, then -h, localhost, and it's prompting me for a password now. And we are connected. And MySQL is now installed on Mac OS. Okay, we're now ready to install the MySQL server software to Windows. Once again, we have to download it first. Open the web browser. Go to our search window, our search area. Type in MySQL Community Server. Again, that first link is the correct one. The URL is dev.mysql.com/downloads/MySQL. Select that. Okay, brings us to the page here. You can see the different packages available for the Windows platform. We're going to use one of the zip archives here, because that gives you a bare bones setup, which is all we really need for what we're going to do. And select download. For the record, I've already installed the server to this system, but I'll kind of go through the steps here to demonstrate. So you can click download. There we go. Okay, it takes you to the download page. Okay, from here, once again, it wants you to create, it's prompting you to create or sign into an existing Oracle account. You don't have to do that. You just go down, no thanks, just start my download. Okay, like I said, I've already installed, so I don't need to do this. I'm going to cancel. You of course, let it finish. Okay, and then from your file manager, go to your downloads folder, and there's the zip archive you just downloaded. Okay, select, then right-click, extract all. And there is actually already a subfolder in that zip archive. I'm going to extract it to a root folder in my C drive. On a production server, you would probably not do that. On a development server, that's should be okay. So extract. Again, I've already done this, so I can cancel out together. Or can't, so the editing will be skipping past this. So let it finish and then we'll move on. Okay, so we're in the C drive now, and we see the folder. Okay, and then there's a subfolder called bin. Under Windows, we need to add that subfolder to our system path. To do this, you would move your mouse cursor to the bottom left of the screen, right-click, brings up the Power Users menu, and select System. Which, by the way, that step is for Windows 8 and Windows 10. Sorry about that. Okay, from the screen, from the list on the left, select Advanced System Settings. Then Environment Variables under the Advanced tab, System Properties. Okay, then from the list on the bottom half of the dialog, you want to select Path and Edit. Okay, so I've already done these steps. I'll show you here. There's multiple entries. Between each entry, you want to place a semicolon, and then the path to the bin subfolder of the MySQL folder, which on my system would be C MySQL-5.6.26-Win64, WinX64/bin. Okay. Close all these dialogues and windows, get out of there. Okay. Now you're going to want to open the command prompt. It's going to do. There it goes. Okay. Now to start the MySQL server under Windows, command prompt, we type MySQL D. There you go. You have to close the window. Unfortunately, or open a new one. Close this one. And okay, now as under Mac OS, it installs a administrator or root account, but it's not password protected. You absolutely want to password protect that, because the root user can do anything in your server. So do that under Windows, command prompt, admin. Actually, the same steps under Mac as MySQL admin, user root, password, and whatever password you want to use for development. It's already configured, that's why. Okay, that's what you would do. It's not doing on mine. It's already configured. Okay. So let me go ahead and so you hadn't already done that step. Once you've done that step, you should be able to connect to the client using the MySQL client utility. P, and then -H, and then name the server. It's a local machine. Imagine that, and we are up and running. Okay, to exit the client, type exit. Okay, now to kill the server under Windows, you also use the MySQL admin utility again. Okay, to kill the server, you have to be a user with administrative privileges, or at least permission to kill the server. Stop the server. Anyway, you type in MySQL admin user and use the root account. Okay, prompt me for the password with a /p. Okay, then shut down. Okay, verify the server's down. Try the client again. Can't connect. The server has been shut down. Okay, that's it. MySQL has been installed to Windows, and that will conclude this video. Thank you.